Hello world. So I took some papaya seeds, stuck them in dirt, and boom, they finally popped up. And I didn't think they were going to. I actually almost forgot what this was. About a month or so ago, I put some seeds from a papaya into a bunch of cups in my classroom at the school that I teach at, and I was waiting for them to come up, and I'd almost given up hope. And then today I went into work and saw that they were popping up, and somehow they did this much growth in the last 2 days since the last time I looked at them. So I'm super excited that they're actually growing. They're really pretty. They're just the cutest little plants. Look at those little plants. I'm just super excited for them. So check that out. All you got to do is take papaya seeds, put them in dirt, leave them in a windowsill. About a month later, you have papaya sprouts. So if you like the taste of papaya, it's pretty good for tenderizing meat. Has a really funky smell and taste, but it's supposedly super healthy and it's good for tenderizing meat. So this is all I do. I like to use a clear solo cup and a dark solo cup. The dark solo cup keeps algae from growing on the regular solo cup. That's my strategy. Grabbed a couple stock photos so you can get an idea of papaya. This is what the ones look like I got. The trees are gorgeous though. Look at these leaves. And let me show you another picture that kind of shows the stem. So it's a pretty gorgeous plant. And so I'm excited to have a few of these growing in my yard, hopefully eventually, assuming my dog doesn't chew them up. Thanks for watching.